turmeric water every morning for 12 months, and then this happened. Miraculous. Turmeric is used for many different purposes and is probably the most used spice of all. But all this is for a great reason. Turmeric has numerous health benefits and is rich in nutrients as well as containing powerful anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, and antioxidant properties. Curcumin is the active compound of turmeric and can be used for innumerable benefits. And there are also more than 7,000 scientific articles of studies on the positive effects of UK argument on our health. Due to these properties of turmeric, turmeric water is the healthiest drink. There is a really story about a woman from Bristol, England. This woman has been drinking turmeric water for 12 months, and it really changed and her general health improved. She has obtained many health benefits by just drinking turmeric, or 12 months every day, and includes improving digestion. Her pH level was perfect, which is actually a process of alkalizing the body, and probably the most important is that he was able to relieve and treat the symptoms of arthritis. This is the way to prepare this miraculous drink. The preparation of this magic drink is quite simple. All you have to do is add a pinch of black pepper and a teaspoon of ground turmeric to a glass of warm water. Then you must start his mixture very well. You should drink this drink immediately. While it is still hot to experience the following benefits. You should consume this beverage every morning. Promotes heart health. Its main ingredient, curcumin, removes the plaque from the blood vessels and prevents the formation of blood clots. According to a 2011 study published in the journal Biological and Pharmaceutical Bulletin, a team of experts from the University of Pharmacy and Applied Sciences of Niigata in Japan discovered that consumption of turmeric for 3 weeks improved the condition of the heart in male rats, reverses type 2 diabetes. The University of Auburn transmitted a study in 2009 that was published by Biochemistry and Biophysical Research Communications and showed that this spice can provide a great help in the treatment of diabetes. Protect your brain. According to scientists, low levels of growth hormone, brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, are often linked to Alzheimer's disease and dementia. In addition, they have provided evidence that curcumin controls the levels of this hormone and therefore prevents brain functions related to age and brain diseases. Fight against inflammation. The main cause of many diseases is inflammation. Curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and therefore effectively combats CE inflammations and protects the body properties against cancer. Curcumin successfully prevents cancer, since it is a potent antioxidant, and antioxidants protect cells from damage, relieves the symptoms of arthritis. According to a 2012 study from Rock, curcumin is as effective as the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug Concede, and even more so than diclofenac in the treatment of swelling and pain. Protection of the liver. Turmeric promotes the proper function of the gallbladder, protects the liver from the dangerous consequences of toxins, and effectively